Guys, it's a tug of war here in the village. We are struggling to get food. We reached maybe we came
early.
late.
We came late, yeah, because the first
phase is over.
So we are waiting for the second phase, guys. They just gave us soup so that we could cool down because we are so hungry.
That is the soup.
They gave us soup so that we could wait for the other meal to get.
Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I thank you for always coming back to watch our videos. In case you're new here, you're welcome. Consider subscribe. This is UGPAL 256. So today guys, I'm here in the village. I'm heading to the village hotel. It's around lunchtime, and today I decided to come to this village to eat the goat soup. You know guys, there is spaced village food here in Africa. So today I'm going to try this village soup, and I'm not here alone. I'm with another content creator here.
Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to watch the video. Thank you for always coming back to watch the videos. If you are new on this channel, my name is Mao. So right now we are heading in the village. There is a delicious meal there where they cook goat's meat.
Yes.
So that's where we are heading, guys. Let's go together.
How do you feel about this village?
Yeah,
the
way
way you are
village
seeing
is
it.
very cool.
Yeah.
That's a conducive air.
Yes.
Yeah, I've really loved it.
Yeah. So guys, kindly check out him. He's on his YouTube channel. He's called.
You can kindly check. I'm
Yeah.
Mao. Mao
Yes.
1.
Yeah. You are on the road too.
I'm on road to 2K.
Yeah.
Can kindly subscribe the channel and don't forget to smash the notification bell so that you get the latest video, guys.
Yes, guys, I'm on the road to 3K subscribers. Kindly support your African boys here. Yeah, let's work together as we are heading for lunch, guys.
This is Mkubo. This is where we eat, man. We eat from,
Guys, it's a tug of war here in the village. We are struggling to get food.
But the soup is so delicious.
We reached maybe we came
early.
late.
We came late, yeah, because the first
phase is over.
So we are waiting for the second phase, guys. They just gave us soup so that we could cool down because we are so hungry.
That is the soup.
They gave us soup so that we could wait for the other meal to get ready.
Mine is outside.
Yeah, we are just waiting for a few minutes, guys, so that the sauce could get ready and we could show them the sauce. The other side. Yeah,
That one is
it's
the
not
sauce.
yet ready. We have to wait for a few minutes so that we could enjoy it.
Natabuka. Hey, it's a man. No way. You see, all people here came to show them. All those came here to eat. It's not a celebration. It's a
Daily routine.
daily routine here. This is daily routine. Yeah. And the reason as why we like village food because it is cheaper compared to what we normally buy in town. Because I can tell you the amount of this you can accept. This is at $1 US, close to 3,000 Ugandan shillings. Yeah. And you get satisfied. But when you are in town, buying a meal at 3,000 Ugandan shillings, $1 US, that's katogo, that's breakfast. Yeah, not lunch, but I'm surprised here this is lunch. $1 US lunch here in the village. It's very, 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 very amazing, guys. And there is I want to try meat. Yeah, I want to go inside and take some meat at least like one. How do you call it? Is it kifa?
It is wow.
A piece. At least one piece of meat, guys. Yeah, I'm going to get it from that kitchen. I was hungry, but now I'm feeling myself. I'm now
Started enjoying. You started gaining some energy.
now rendema for sehemu.